Hello students, Sai Ram. Today we will revise chapter number 1, Integers. What is an integer? An integer is a positive or negative whole number or zero. Now here you can see a number line where all the integers are represented. 0 is in the middle of the line, which is neither positive nor negative. Here these all are negative integers which are on left side, and these all are positive integers which are on right side of the number line. Now these are the operations which we have learned. Operation with integers. We have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in the previous presentation. Now this is the summary which we have learnt before in other presentation. This first addition, when we add two integers of same sign, we will add it and will keep the same sign. And when we add two integers of different sign, we have to subtract and take the sign of the biggest. You have learnt it. Now next is subtraction. When we subtract two integers, we have to change subtraction to addition and change the sign of the number after the subtraction. And then we will have to follow rules for addition. Now in case of multiplication and division, when we multiply two integers of same sign, the answer, that means the product, is positive. And when we divide two integers of same sign, that time also we get the answer, that means the quotient again positive. Now here, in case of multiplication of two integers of different sign, we get product as negative. In case of division of two integers of different sign, also we get the quotient as negative. So this is the summary of the lesson which we have learned before. Now based on all this operation, now we are going to do some question from exercise 1.1 to 1.4. So let us start. Exercise 1.1, question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine. You can see here the plane is above submarine, floating 1200 meters below the sea level. Now what is the vertical distance between them? Means between this plane and the submarine. So let us calculate the distance between them. Now first, what is given in the question we'll write. We know the height of plane 5,000 meters. Depth of submarine as it is below the sea level. So we will have to write minus sign here, minus 1200 meters. Now we have to find out the distance between plane and submarine. So we will have to subtract. These two values has to be subtracted. So we'll write 5,000 minus, and this value is minus 1200, in bracket minus 1200. Now here next step will be 5,000 plus, minus will write plus, and additive inverse of minus 1200 is 1200, positive 1200. So that will be 5,000 plus 1200, and 5,000 plus 1200 is 6,200 meters. So the distance between plane and submarine is 6,200 meters. Now let us go to the next question. This is exercise 1.1, question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2,000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1,642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So we'll have to find out the balance. Now see here, what is given, we will first write. Now the money deposited was rupees 2,000. So money deposit amount will be represented by a positive integer. Why positive? Because when you are depositing the money in your account, it will be added to the money. So it will be positive. So it plus rupees 2,000. Now the amount withdrawn was 1,642. Now we have to find out the balance. So balance in the account, for finding out the balance, we need to subtract these two numbers, 2,000 and this. So we'll write like this, 1,642 will be subtracted from 2,000. So 2000 minus 1642. And when we'll subtract this two, we'll get 358. Hence the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal is equal to rupees 358. Now let us go to the next question. This is also of the same exercise 1.1, question number 9. Use the sign greater than, less than or equal to in the box to make the statement true. So there are two questions given here and there is a box in between. We have to fill up this box. So we will have to compare these two and we'll have to see which one is greater. So let us see how to solve it. Now the first question is minus 8 plus minus 4, and here this box is given minus 8 minus in bracket minus 4. So when we have to solve this, first we'll take LHS. So LHS is taken minus 8 plus minus 4. So here minus 8 as is equal to minus 8. Now plus and minus will be minus. So here minus 4 is written. Now you can see both are negative. So when both are negative, we are going to add them. So 8 plus 4 is 12. And as both are negative, so sign also will be negative. So you will get negative 12. Now next RHS, this is RHS side of the question. So we'll write RHS is equal to minus 8 minus minus 4. Now here it will be equal to minus 8 and then this minus will write plus, and additive inverse of minus 4 is 4. So we'll write minus 8 plus 4. And then we'll work out one is negative, one is positive. So what we will do? We will do subtraction. So 8 minus 4 is 4. And then which number is big? 8. 8 is bigger than 4. Which sign it has? Minus sign. So we will give minus sign. So then we will write the answer minus 12 and minus 4. These are the answer we got. Now we are going to compare. Now both are negative. As both are negative, so here in the case of negative integer, this one will become the bigger integer. So here greater than sign is given. Hence we'll write down this minus 8 plus minus 4 is less than minus 8 minus minus 4. So this is the way you have to solve. Now let us go to next question. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Again box is there. 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. Again we'll take LHS. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Now we will write down, removing the bracket, we'll write minus 3 plus 7 and then minus 19. Now in this you can see these two are negative numbers, minus 3 and minus 19. So we can write together is equal to minus 3 minus 19 plus 7. 7 we will write at the end. Now as these two are negative, we can add them. So 3 plus 19 is 22. And as both of them are negative, so it will be minus 22 plus 7. Now one is negative, one is positive. So when one is negative, one is positive, always we do subtraction. So 22 minus 7 is 15. Now 22 is bigger than 7, so it has minus sign. So here in the answer we will write negative. So answer is negative 15. Now we will take RHS side. 15 minus 8 plus in bracket minus 9. First we'll remove the bracket. So we'll write 15 minus 8. Now plus and minus will be here minus 9. Now again you can see these two are negative. So we can add them. So next step is 15. When we'll add this two and both are negative, minus 17 will be there. You will get the answer minus 17. Now here this is positive. No sign is positive, and here this is negative. So we will do, when one is positive, one is negative, we do always subtraction. So 17 minus 15 is 2 and 17 is bigger. Don't see the sign first. First you see the number. 17 is bigger, so it has minus sign. So we'll give minus. Minus 2 is the answer. Now we'll compare both this answer. Minus 15 here we got and here we got minus 2. So which one will be bigger? Minus 2 is bigger than minus 15. And then we'll write on this. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 is less than, in place of this we will write down this, because from this only we got that answer minus 15, and that is less than 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. So this is the way you have to solve. Now this we have done last time. You remember in integer lesson which I have taught you. In that I have taught you about all the properties of integer: closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property, distributive property, and this all are the operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So this whole thing is given in tabular form. You can see and you can again revise. So this is based on this properties of integers. Now we are going to solve some more questions of the exercise. So let us see. Now this is exercise 1.2, question number 4. Fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. So here they have given, here 3 questions are given. Fill in the blanks. Here you can see there is a blank space. We have to fill up this. So let us solve it and let us identify the property also with it. It is not asked, but you should know the property also. Now here you see, this is solved here. Minus 5 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 8 plus, here dash is given. So you can see here minus 8 is there, and here what will come? Minus 5 will be there, because this is based on commutative property of addition. You can add in any way, you will get the same answer, same sum. Okay, now next one is minus 53 plus dash. Here they have given dash is equal to minus 53. So you know, if you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. That's why we call 0 as additive identity. So adding 0 to any integer, it gives the same value. So this way you have to fill in the blank. Now next one, 17 plus, here dash is given, is equal to 0. So what you will add to 17 so that you get 0? Of course you will write the additive inverse of this number. So 17 plus minus 17 will be 0. Because 17 plus minus will be 17 minus 17, you will get 0. And this is additive inverse. Now next is exercise 1.3, find the product. So there are 3 questions. You have to find out the product. So the first question, 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Here you can see it's written here. So 3 numbers are there here. These 2 are negative integer. So first when we find out the product, when there is more, like, we will have to first rearrange it. So here you can see these 2 negative integers are written first, and then 9 is written at the end. And then this 2 negative sign is taken out. See, minus into minus. You can do like this also, so that there will not be any confusion. And now these numbers we will write here like this, 3 into 6 into 9. Now first we will multiply this numbers, this whole numbers. 3 into 6 is 18, 18 into 9 is 162. Then we will see the sign, minus into minus. We have learned minus into minus is plus. So if you don't give any sign also, it is understood plus sign is there. So answer is 162. Same way next one, minus 18 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 4. Now again we will write down the sign first. Here you can see all the 3 are negative. So we'll write minus into minus into minus. And then we'll write on the number. First 18, then we'll write 5 and then 4. Now first we'll not see the sign. We'll first multiply these numbers. 18 into 5 is 90. 90 into 4 is 360. 360. And then we will see the sign. Minus into minus is plus. And then plus into minus is minus. So here minus is written. Same way now we'll go to next question. Here minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. So first we will write on the sign. You can see here first 3 integers are negative. So we'll write 3 times minus sign, minus into minus into minus. And then we'll write on the numbers. 1 into 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. And then for solving, while finding out the product, first we'll multiply this. 2 ones are 2. Into 3 is 6, 6 4s are 24. So 24, and then we'll see the sign here. These 2 negative will become positive, and then positive into negative will become negative. So you will get answer negative 24. Now this is the way you have to find out the product. Next is exercise 1.3 only, question number 5. And in this we have to find the product using suitable properties. So these are the 4 questions given. We have to follow certain properties. You have learned about all the properties. Following those properties, we are going to solve and find out the product. So let us see how to solve it. First one is 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. So you can see here minus 48 is here also, here also. So it is common. So we will take this common number outside. So next step we will write minus 48 multiplied by, and this number we will write inside the bracket plus, and this is minus 36 is written, and then bracket is closed. And then next step will be again minus 48 will write, and then we will solve this too. So plus minus will be minus. So 26 minus 36. Now we are going to subtract these two numbers. 36 minus 26 is 10. And 36 is bigger. It has minus sign. So here minus 10 is written. And minus 48 as it is we have written. So minus 48 into minus 10. And you will get answer 480. 48 tens are 480. And this is also minus. This is also minus. We have learned this multiplication minus into minus is always positive. So answer is positive 480. And this question, this product which we have found, that is based on distributive property of multiplication over addition. Here you can see multiplication is there, here addition. So this is, we have distributed here, minus 48 was distributed here, and then we have taken this common and then we have worked out. This is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now next question is 8 into 53 into minus 125. Now this we will rearrange. Before solving, first we'll write 53 multiplied by, in bracket 8 multiplied by minus 125, you will put in bracket and then bracket close. And this is based on associative property of multiplication. All these properties we have learned. So now when you multiply this two, first always we have to do the working of the bracket. So when you work out this 125 into 8, you will get 1000. And here this is negative, so we'll give negative sign. And then 53 multiplied by 1000 is 53,000. And this is negative, so minus sign will come. So why we are rearranging this? So that we can do the multiplication very easily. So that is the reason we have learned so many properties. Now next is C part, 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 multiplied by minus 10. Now this again we will regroup or rearrange. See here, minus 25 into minus 4 is taken together and you can enclose it in a bracket multiplied by. Now these two are again taken together, 15 multiplied by minus 10. So we have grouped them. And why we have grouped them? So that we can work out easily. Now see, 25 fours are 100. And this is minus, this is also minus. Both of them are minus. Minus into minus is plus. So we'll get 100. And then here in between multiplication sign. Now this two we will multiply. 15 tens are 150. And then here minus sign will come because 10 is negative here. And then again we'll work out. See, when you multiply any number by 100, 1000, it becomes very easy to calculate. So 150 into 100 is 15,000. And this is positive. Plus into minus is minus. Now next one, minus 41 into 102. Again you see here 102 is splitted here like this. 100 plus 2. And this is again based on distributive property of multiplication over addition. Here multiplication and this is, and then this will be distributed. Now see here, minus 41 into 100. Here it's written. Then again minus 41 will be multiplied by 2. Plus, in between plus we will write, and minus 41 into 2. And then we will work out minus 41 into 100 is minus 4100. And then minus 41 into 2 is 82. And here plus into minus is minus. Now both are negative. So we are going to add it. So when we add, we'll get 4182. As both are negative, the sign also will be negative. And in bracket, we have to write distributive property of multiplication over addition. So this is the way we will find out the product using properties. Now this is from exercise 1.4. Evaluate each of the following. And these are the three questions. Remaining question I have taken in previous presentation. So let us do this. Minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1. So we have to evaluate, means we have to solve it. So first, always we have to do the working of the bracket. This one we will write as it is minus 31 divided by, now these two are negative and in between plus, that means we have to add these two numbers. So when we add, you will get 30 plus 1 is 31 and both are negative, so negative sign. So minus 31 divided by minus 31 is 1. Now next one is minus 36 divided by 12. It is enclosed in bracket divided by 3. So first we will do the working of this. We have to divide this to 36 divided by 12. You will get quotient 3. 12 3 is a 36. So when you reduce this, you will get minus 3. And here this is in dividend place, minus sign is there. So minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 1. Next is minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So let us do the working of this. Minus plus will do minus. So 6 minus 5 is 1 and 6 is bigger, so minus sign, minus 1 is written. Divided by, now minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 is bigger, it has minus sign, so minus 1. So minus 1 divided by minus 1 is 1. Minus minus sign will go and then only 1 will remain. 1 is the answer. Now next is fill in the blanks. Same exercise, question number 3. 369 divided by what? You will get again 369. So it will be 1. Anything, whenever you divide any number by 1, you will get the same number. So here we'll write 1. Next one is minus 75 divided by dash is equal to minus 1. So what we will write here? We will write 75 because we have to get here quotient minus 1. Minus sign is required. So we will divide it by 75. Next is minus 206 divided by dash is equal to 1. So here we want 1. We don't want any negative number here. So we'll write the same number, that is minus 206. That is minus 206 divided by minus 206 is 1. So this is all a simple question. You can do it in your textbook also. Now this is a word problem of same exercise, question number 6. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, and no mark for not attempting any question. So this is the condition. Now first is Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So let us first write down what is given in the question. It's given plus 3 marks are given for each correct answer, minus 2 marks are given for each incorrect answer, and 0 mark for not attempted question. Now marks obtained by Radhika for 12 correct answer is plus 3 into 12, 36. And marks obtained by Radhika for correct answer, then it will be, because for every correct answer 3 marks she is scoring, 3 points. So 12 into 3 is 36. But she got how much? She got 20. So she got 20 marks. That means she did not score 36. So she has got some answers wrong. So marks obtained by Radhika for incorrect answer. So how many answers she has given wrong? How many, that you will get it by subtraction. So 20 minus 36. So we'll subtract this. 36 minus 20 is 60. And then here minus sign will come because this is the mark she obtained for incorrect answer. And for every incorrect answer, minus 2 mark will be given. So minus 16 will be divided by minus 2. Then we can get how many answers she got incorrect. So minus 16 divided by minus 2, you will reduce it, you will get 8. Hence, the required number of incorrect answers is equal to 8. So she got 8 answers incorrect. Now children, this is your homework for today. You will do it in your homework notebook. This is just revision for you to solve and understand how to evaluate and how to find out the product. And try to find out the property also. Thank you.